Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Pisces water sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages. Pisces water sign, Page of Cups, Ten of Cups. Wow, lot of water energy. Nine of Pentacles. I think you are going to be send some message to your person. You want to say apology to your person, I am getting, but your person maybe right now they stand by their power. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. What I am getting here, definitely your person this time they stand by their power. They're independent, either emotionally or financially. They are independent on both, and they are no more dependent on you. And Ten of Cups with Page of Cups, definitely you want this happiness with your person, and you want to send some apology if you did something wrong to your person, or if you want to communicate to your person if you are in no contact situation. So it could be you are your person, I think it's you. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. You are your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see some more. Or you are waiting for communication. Communication, Ace of Swords, Nine of Cups. Wow, Six of Cups. I think, yeah, some honest communication, truth coming out. Definitely there will be some communication between you and your person, and you are wishing for this connection. Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment is this reconciliation. If you are in separation, definitely you want reconciliation with your person, and you are wishing for this reconciliation. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Definitely some communication, truth coming out. You want to express your true feelings to your person, and you are wishing for this connection, and you want reconciliation with your person. You have strong emotions for your person. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but lot of water energies here. Lot of. Let's see some more. Okay, Three of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Yeah, so you're thinking about that one thing, that your person not going to accept the cup of love which is offered by you. You are scared to offer this cup of love to your person, because you are thinking that your person will not accept the cup of love which is offered by you, that you are thinking about. And Three of Cups with Six of Pentacles, definitely you want reconciliation, you want this celebration with your person. There is no equal give and take in past. The one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is your person, but now you want to offer equal give and take to this connection. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, guys. So definitely now you want to offer this equal give and take to your person, and you want reconciliation, you want celebration with your person. I think your person right now concentrating on their career, they are working towards their goals. Definitely Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I think they are not dependent emotionally also on you. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of water energy. You both could be also water signs. Okay, Five of Swords, Seven of Cups, again water energy, Seven of Swords. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there are a lot of disturbances between both of you. Still some issues going between you and your person. I think you may be in some confusion state, or your person maybe have options, or your person may be in some confusion state. Definitely one person is sneaky in this connection. I think your person may be not trusting you. There are some trust issues I'm getting. I think a Sagittarius reading and Pisces reading almost same. If you want to see this reading, check that once also. Because Five of Swords with Seven of Swords, definitely one person in this connection is sneaky, played games, mind games with the other person. I think your person may be thinking that you're playing mind games with them. That's why they are not going to accept their offer. Now they are very stable. I think you are fantasizing about your person a lot, Pisces, 7 of Cups. But still, there are some disagreements between both of you. So let's pull some cards from let's pull some cards about your person current feelings and their near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. First, we will see your person current feelings towards you, Pisces. Your person current feelings. Ace of Wands, 7 of Wands, Knight of Swords. So your person current feelings towards you, I think they're thinking about you that you are in and out of their life and you are not constant. They're thinking about like that. And Ace of Wands with 7 of Wands, they are defensive like this time. Definitely they are defensive. And Ace of Wands, yeah, they are very passionate about you. Still they are attracted to you, but they are defensive. So let's see their near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. Ace of Pentacles, Hanged Woman, Princess of Wands. Yeah, they are attracted to you. They are very passionate about you, definitely. And Hanged Woman, definitely they are stuck on you. They are spiritually awakening and they are thinking about you a lot. Pisces, your person thinking about you a lot. And definitely they want to, for some, they want to offer this long-term commitment. They are ready to offer. For some, right now your person concentrating on their career. Yes, right now they are making their money. Definitely they're working hard towards their goals. For some, definitely your person want to offer this to you, but they are stuck right now. They are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, there is attraction still is there between both of you. For some, definitely your person also want new beginnings with you. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Five of Wands, Princess of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. So Five of Wands, definitely your person, I think you are trying to fight for your person attention. Definitely some fighting. Five of Wands, or one or more person is fighting for your person attention. Princess of Pentacles and Page of Swords, definitely some spying, some messages, some communication. I think you both will communicate. Some communication will happen. I think Pisces, you maybe send some message to your person if you did something wrong to your person. And Eight of Pentacles, now you are ready to offer stability to this connection, but it's totally up to you. Now the ball is in your person court. Definitely they have to make final decision, because in past your person always there for you. For some, take what resonate and leave the rest. Now you want to work on this relationship. It is very slow moving energy, still it is stable offer. Now you want to work on this relationship. Definitely some communication, some messages. Yeah, for some there will be stability is coming in your connection. For some, depending upon your situation. Okay, but some spying is also going. One person may be spying on the other person on social media. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Pisces, let's see your overall energy for the week. Tower, Strength, Queen of Cups, and Hanged Woman. I think you are also spiritually awakening and you also stuck on your person. You have strong emotions for your person. This time you want to express your feelings to your person. And Strength, definitely you want to gain your strength back to go towards your person. Definitely your person could be Leo. Right now you are undergoing some tower moment in your life due to separation or due to any other reason, but some tower moment. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Fool, Nine of Pentacles, Judgment, and High Priestess. Wow, definitely High Priestess, your person now they are listening to their higher self. Judgment, yeah, some major decisions are going to be taken by your person. Definitely they are going to take some decision. And Nine of Pentacles, I already told you in starting of reading, definitely they stand by their power, they're no more dependent on you. And Fool, yeah, they are in this energy, they're working towards their goals, they're growing with the flow. Yeah, for some your person also want new beginnings with you. For some there is reconciliation. For some, if it is third party, depending upon your situation, they will take, your person will take decision. I think one person in this connection, I think you, this time your person will take decision. This time their decision is going to be crucial in this relationship, because you are ready for new beginnings, but the decision is in your person hands. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys, and thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.